Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free software for fixing networking and internet connection issues in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Net Adapter Repair, and you'll see tons of websites. Just select this website from the source force. Now just click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just right mouse click on this downloaded software and just select this run as administrator. Now you can see there is an interference of this software, so it has a tons of options. So on the above you will see here advanced repair, and below you will see here additional tools. So you can manually select each one of it, or you can select just some particular options, and below you can see here run all selected. So you can select and you can just run it, or you can select this advanced repair and you can see some information regarding it, so you can read it if you want to read. On the right side you can see here you can run a ping IP test and the ping DNS test also, and below you will see here the IP address, computer host names, MAC address, tons of options here. So say let me select this internet option, clear SSL state, and just click on this run all selected. So now on the right side you can see here cleared SSL state session, so it is cleared already. So by using this application you can easily fix networking and internet connection issues in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.